There's a moment every military commander hopes never comes. A moment where bombers sit fueled, submarines disappear beneath the ocean, and nations wait for the first move. That moment is exactly what DEFCON was built for. Most people have heard the word DEFCON. Movies use it, news anchors use it, but very few people understand what each level actually means because DEFCON is not just a warning system. It is America's military ladder toward war, and every step upward means the world has become more dangerous. DEFCON 5, Normal Readiness. DEFCON 5 is the lowest level of military alert. This is normal peacetime readiness. No immediate threat, no expectation of war. Bases operate on standard schedules. Pilots train. Ships patrol. The military continues its normal rhythm, but even at DEFCON 5, the system never sleeps. Satellites watch. Radar stations listen. Nuclear submarines remain hidden under the ocean. DEFCON 4. DEFCON 4 is the first step above normal. Something in the world has raised concern, not war yet, but enough to make commanders pay closer attention. Intelligence gathering increases, communications become more secure. Military commands begin reviewing emergency plans. Most civilians would never notice DEFCON 4, but behind the scenes, the defense system becomes sharper. The military is still calm, but no longer relaxed. DEFCON 3, High Military Readiness. DEFCON 3 is where things become serious. The armed forces prepare for possible large-scale conflict. Command centers begin operating around the clock. Fighter units move into rapid response posture. Bomber crews prepare for deployment. Intelligence agencies send constant updates. Communications shift toward wartime security. Strategic forces review response options. The entire system becomes faster and more alert. The United States reportedly reached DEFCON 3 after the September 11th attacks. War had not officially begun in that moment, but the military was preparing as if another strike could come at any second. DEFCON 2. One step from war. DEFCON 2 is the second highest alert level. This means the military is prepared to engage within hours. At this stage, every minute matters. Nuclear-capable bombers move closer to launch readiness. Missile crews remain on constant watch. Submarines receive strategic deployment instructions. Commanders are no longer preparing just in case. They are preparing because conflict now appears extremely likely. This is the final step before maximum wartime posture. The only publicly confirmed DEFCON 2 moment was the Cuban Missile Crisis. For 13 days in 1962, the world stood near nuclear war. One mistake could have changed history forever. DEFCON 1, Maximum Readiness. DEFCON 1 is the nightmare scenario. It means nuclear war is imminent or already happening. The military shifts from preparation into execution. Strategic bombers stand ready. ICBM crews prepare for combat authorization. Ballistic missile submarines move into final strike posture. At DEFCON 1, everything changes. Air defenses go to maximum alert. National command authorities operate through hardened wartime systems. No public record confirms the United States has ever officially reached DEFCON 1. And that is exactly why the level is so frightening. If it ever happens, the world may already be inside the disasters. So that is DEFCON levels 5 to 1 explained. From normal readiness to the edge of nuclear war, a system designed not only to prepare for conflict, but hopefully to prevent it. If you learned something, leave a like. Subscribe for more military history and defense breakdowns. And tell me in the comments what topic we should cover next. Thank you for watching. And until next time, stay curious.